Okay, so you should have completed the first row where you picked a color and then made the tints and shades of that. So it goes from light to dark of that one color. So again, it's one color plus black and white. And then in the second one, you created a grayscale, which is just black and white, and then you're creating all these different shades of gray, all right, from a light gray to a dark gray. For the next one, what you're going to do is, remember that this is the color right out of the tube, you're going to pick the complement of that color. So whatever color you put right here in the first row, that first color, you're going to pick its complement. So look at the color wheel. Look at the color wheel that is attached to the assignment that I just put on here. So you'll see that the opposite of red is green, all right? If you picked blue, the opposite of blue is orange, and if you picked the violet, the opposite of violet will be yellow. You're then going to put that complementary color right there, and you're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Create a value scale for that color. Again, you'll need that color, whatever the opposite is, the complement of your first color. In this case, it happens to be green, and then white and black to create the tints and shades. And then once you've completed that, then on the very last row, you're going to create the intensity of a color. So you're going to see what happens when you mix two complementary colors together. And so I've already put the green here, unmixed green, which was the complement of my first color. I'm going to just use the brush here to put down the first color right here that's unmixed, which is the red. Okay. And then just as we created that range before, I'm going to take a tiny, so first color mixed with a small amount. So again, very small amount of the green, tiny, tiny bit. Let's see, very, very small amount. And I'm going to mix that in. So a very small amount, making a little bit more. And I'm going to put that into the next square. Now that first one, there might not be much of a change. You can see it's just a very slight change. It's a little bit more gray. Because what's going to happen is when you mix complementary colors, it's going to make a neutral color. Neutrals are grays, browns, anything that is not on